How to delete your Instagram account from another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can delete your Instagram account from another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting your Instagram account from another phone is actually quite a simple thing to do. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Instagram application. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, then tap on the three lines option from the top right. Then simply go to the option called Account Center, and once you go to Account Center, you want to simply go to the option called Password and Security. One way that you can delete someone from your account is by simply changing your password. So when you go to change password and select Instagram account, you will be able to remove them successfully from your account. Or the second way you can do this is by simply going to where you are logged in option here. Then after you do that, you can simply go ahead and select your Instagram account. Then after that, just select an account that you would like to remove. Then tap the logout button to log them out. That's all it takes to delete your Instagram account from another phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.